Are you interested in a DIY candy jar? Well, if you are, I have a great tutorial for you. Coming up next. I'm Diet and welcome to Turtle Creativity. On this channel, we make crafting and crocheting easy. If you haven't done so, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell to stay in tune of all of the things that we do here. Now, let's get crafting. Today, we're going to be making a candy dish out of a clay pot and a glass bowl. So I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and begin with my clay pot, and I'm going to begin with taking the sticker off. The sticker go off here. All right. And any little pieces that are stuck there, you can use your finger nails, or you can use some scissors to get it off. So with the glass, I'm going to use a little bit of water just to loosen it up a little bit. And do that right there. And I'm just going to put it here for it to sit just so that it can soak a little bit and be ready to peel. All right, so I'm going to pour down my white paint. And this is regular acrylic paint. If you do not have acrylic craft paint, you definitely can. The link is to our Amazon store, and we have some that you can definitely purchase from Amazon, and it will ship straight to you. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to go ahead and, no particular way, just go ahead and begin to put the white acrylic onto my clay pot. Now, I like this project because this project is something that the whole family can do and enjoy. And I love to be able to see the transformation of what was once a clay pot and make the magic happen to a candy dish. I'm going to go ahead and continue to paint all of this. And once you've painted all of this, your first coat, you can move on to your lid. Okay, same thing with the lid. You want to keep painting. And we're going to put our first layer. Covering all of the edges. And I'll meet you when you're done. Okay, the top part of our lid is complete. Let's go ahead and flip it over and paint the inside as well. All right, I am going to put a second layer of paint onto my clay pot. We are now ready for coat number 3. All right, the one thing that I'm going to add that I did not add to this one is a little glitter. Let's make the magic happen. Now, let's go ahead and paint our wooden bead. All right, so what do you think of this tutorial so far? If you like it, then definitely make sure that you thumbs up this video. Now let's get back to the tutorial. Now, the glass bowl, we're going to go ahead and see how now that sticker is just easy just to move right on off. It's all ready to paste onto our top of our clay pot. Let me move the glitter out the way. And I'm going to turn on my heat gun. And right now I'm using my heating tool just to dry the paint. That glitter makes it sparkle. All right, using our glue gun, I'm just going to go ahead and put some of the hot glue on the base. Getting another glue stick. All right. Flipping my glass jar over, I can position it in the middle. Next step, we're going to take our hot glue gun, put a little bit of the glue in the center, take our bead, and put it in the middle. Quick question for you. I did my candy jar white. I added the butterflies and I added glitter. How would you decorate your DIY candy jar? Let me know in the comments below. All right, let's finish up this tutorial. All right, now while this is drying, I'm going to take our butterflies. I'm going to paste one here. Let's get our hot glue. And then the other one will go on our lid. All right, dab of hot glue. And definitely make sure that you're careful while using that hot glue. And I'm just using this paint sponge just to position my butterfly exactly where I want it. There we have it. Let's go ahead and put our lid onto our candy dish. Wait a minute. Our candy dish needs a little candy. Let's add some now. And the one we already did, let's fill her up too. Did you enjoy this DIY candy jar tutorial? If you did and you want more easy craft tutorials, then click here. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.